Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Keypirinha on your Windows computer. Since Keypirinha is a portable application, the setup is really quick and doesn't require a traditional installation wizard. By the end of this video, you'll have Keypirinha ready to launch and use. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer and go to the folder where you downloaded the Keypirinha zip file. You'll usually find it in your Downloads folder unless you saved it somewhere else. Next, right-click the zip file and choose Extract All, or, use your favorite archive program if you already have one installed. Pick a folder where you'd like to keep Keypirinha, then extract all of the files. Once the extraction is finished, open the new Keypirinha folder. Inside, you'll see several files and folders, including the main Keypirinha application. That's the file you'll use to start the launcher. Now, double-click the Keypirinha application to launch it. If Windows shows a security prompt the first time, simply confirm that you trust the application and continue. If you want faster access later, you can create a desktop shortcut or pin Keypirinha to the Start menu or taskbar. It's completely optional, but it does make launching the app much quicker if you use it often. And that's it. You've successfully installed Keypirinha on your Windows computer. You're now ready to search for files, launch applications, and customize the launcher however you like. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy-to-follow Windows guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.